Everyone thinks they know the world. Almost nobody does. This is Golden Minds. 20 geography questions, no multiple choice, no map to look at. Count your score, and let's see how much of this planet you really know. 1. What is the largest country in the world by land area? Russia. 2. Which is the largest hot desert on Earth? The Sahara. 3. The Great Barrier Reef lies off the coast of which country? It's Australia. 4. What is the tallest mountain above sea level? Mount Everest. 5. Which is the largest American state by area? Alaska. 6. Which American state borders only one other state? Maine. 7. Which major city sits on two continents at once, split between Europe and Asia? Istanbul. 8. Which country holds more natural lakes than the rest of the world combined? It's Canada. 9. Which city is actually farther west? Reno, Nevada, or Los Angeles, California? Surprisingly, Reno. 10. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. 11. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? Canada. 12. Which country has more ancient pyramids than Egypt? Believe it or not, Sudan. 13. What is the capital of Australia, the city most people confuse with Sydney? Canberra. 14. Which European country sits closest to Africa, separated by only about 8 miles of water? It's Spain. 15. Which mountain peak is the farthest point from the center of the Earth, even farther out than Everest? Chimborazo in Ecuador. Here's your bonus. There is one country you can drive to from the United States without ever crossing an ocean or entering Canada. Name it. Don't say it out loud. Drop it in the comments. Subscribe so you don't lose us. Back to the quiz. 16. Which country spans the most time zones once you count its overseas territories? France, 12 of them. 17. In which country would you find the real city of Timbuktu? Mali. 18. What is the only sea on Earth with no land coastline, bordered entirely by ocean currents? The Sargasso Sea. 19. The most remote spot in any ocean, about 1,600 miles from the nearest land, is nicknamed what? Point Nemo. 20. The world's largest island, Greenland, is a territory of which European country? It's Denmark. That's 20 questions. Count them up. Tell me your score in the comments. And don't forget your bonus answer. I'm a small creator, so if this made you think, one subscribe really does mean a lot.